The Create Report feature in the Management section of On-Hand BI lets you quickly set up Power BI reports. You can either upload a local PBIX file or link an existing report from Power BI service using its report ID. To create a report from a local PBIX file, navigate to Reports Management. Click Create. Select the appropriate workspace. On-Hand BI provides a default OHBI Premium workspace for all users. Select Upload PBIX. Choose the PBIX file from your computer. Click Create. After uploading, the report is automatically added to the designated workspace. This method is ideal when you've prepared a report in Power BI Desktop and want to upload it to On-Hand BI. Once uploaded, you can share the report with unlimited users for free. If your report already exists in Power BI service, you can embed it into On-Hand BI using its report ID. This method requires the integration of your Power BI workspace into On-Hand BI. Click Create. Select the appropriate workspace. Copy the report ID from your Power BI service report. Paste the report ID into the required field in On-Hand BI. Click Create. This method is ideal for managing existing Power BI reports in On-Hand BI, serving as a bridge to share reports while keeping the data synchronized with Power BI service. Once uploaded, you can share the report with unlimited users for free. On-Hand BI also offers several key options to enhance report management. Start date and end date. Define the access period for each report. After expiration, users cannot view the report, but you can easily extend access by adjusting the dates. Advanced options. Navigation bar. Show or hide the navigation bar to create a cleaner and more focused report layout. After creating your report, you can view it by navigating to the View section where two tabs are available. Own displays reports you've created. Subscribed shows reports you have access to from others. This concludes the tutorial on how to create and manage reports in the Management section of On-Hand BI. For further assistance, refer to the Workspace Management module or contact support.